Okay, so I wanted to do a short video to tell you what's going on here out in the Taggart Prairie. With a grant from the National Wildlife Federation, our students are making a demonstration garden. What this demonstration garden is going to be is that if you look at the back, all kind of, you can see my finger is all the back, that's all going to be prairied, all of that, and all around the corner of the tennis courts as well. So that's all cover cropping, and you can see the tall grass, the soil is remediating. We've got, I'll show you some really cool flowers we have out there. But as a demonstration garden, so that you can come out here and look at different species of plants, they'll be barcoded. You can see what they look like and what they are. We just got a delivery of our species. So I thought those of you who are interested, there's our mulch for our gardens. Here are some of the species we have. We've got some plum grass there. We're going to be planting some oval leaf, which is a cool plant. We've got some lisle leaf sage plants. We've got some gaillardia, which is, you see these a lot on the side of the road. They're a beautiful wildflower. They also propagate really well. We've got some ironweed here we're going to plant. This is rattlesnake master, which I love. It's such a cool looking plant and it's great for pollinators. We've got sunflowers. Oh, sorry, no, this is, I can't remember what this one is. We've got some coneflower. Those are beautiful. We've got some bee balm, which we have a lot of in our prairie as well right now. Lots of sunflowers. We've got some goldenrod. That'll be beautiful in the fall. This is some rye grasses. We've got some love grass here. We've got some Cherokee sage. And then of course, everyone's favorite, the basket flower. So we've got a lot going on here. The prairie is just absolutely gorgeous right now. I'm gonna stop the video and then I'm gonna show you a bit around other parts of the prairie here. So now I'm kind of on the back side of the sign at the tennis courts. If you look at these bright green plants, those are our summer cover crops. They're coming in really well. They're filling in the spaces. We've got some vetch back up in here and in different pockets of our prairie. We have some gaillardia, big patches of it, so beautiful. Lots of tennis balls. We've got a lot of what are called cover crops. So the natives that you see, they just came here by accident. They were carried in by other things. So if you look at this patch right now, we've got a lot of pea plants over here. Some bee balm, that's been finding its way in the prairie. These are really gorgeous. That stuff over there is, hopefully it looks like that might be bee balm as well, but we love that. The pollinators love that. And then we've got a lot of coreopsis out here. So if you come, what we did is we have a trail that goes through the middle of the prairie, but then if you want to, you can walk the tree line. So here's some beautiful wildflowers, but maintenance and operations helped us out with this. We've got a really nice mowed pathway along the tree line that you can walk in, especially in the evenings. People walk their dogs out here. Kids are running around. It's been absolutely fantastic. And you can see here another patch of gorgeous wildflowers. But it's a really nice place to walk. So we'll keep this trail completely mowed always. I need to come and cut down some of these limbs a little bit so we don't have to walk around those. But here's another really beautiful patch. They're all along the tree line, these gorgeous coreopsis flowers. They're so beautiful. If you like wildflowers and you want to see some of your favorites. And again, we have not prairied this yet. This is all cover crops, but these native species, they get here with birds and things like that. You can kind of see all along the tree line, all the flowers. Look at those in the back. They're all along the tree line. They must like the shade. I don't know a lot about them, but the trail goes, all the way through here, and then it goes out to the cul-de-sac. And then another thing we did is we're working on our shaded area. So we need a place for kids to come out here and sit because it's so hot. So we have this little oak tree over here. It's kind of oddly shaped, but we like it because that provides shade for our outdoor classroom. But what we found out was that that area was a low spot. And so what we're doing is we are doing some dirt filling, which we haven't finished yet. We're still a work in progress, but we're taking dirt, filling that area in, and then we're gonna have mulch. But the kids were just out here this morning, sitting here under the trees. We can study here, hang out under this great oak tree, and look at this beautiful sight. And if you take just 1 minute to listen, you can hear a little bit of the car noise, but for the most part, it's really peaceful. That's all for now.